This is the very basic video to learn how to download updates or metered connections on Windows 11 or 10 laptop and PC. Both this method will work properly. First step, just open the settings, and here in this left side panel downside you will see the Windows Update. Click on it, then click on advanced options. Here you will get this setting, so slide to on to enable it, slide to off to disable it, and make sure data charges may apply. So as you need, you can enable or disable. That's it.